Dashidilek Oxines. Let's see your energy for the May month. What are you attracting for the starting of the May month? My God, starting of the May month, you are attracting some good news. You're going to see very positive results. This can be about your career, about your relationship. This can be anything. Okay, something very good is coming to you. You're attracting that. Because of that good thing, you are looking very happy and satisfied and very positive, emotionally satisfied. Okay, that this can be a result or a person or a good news, some opportunity. This can be anything. Okay, you look very happy in the starting around the May month. Okay, and mid of the May month, now you look a little bit confused, regretting about something, about your past relationships or past job opportunities, or this can be anything. You are regretting about your decision, and because of that, right now you are going to feel a little bit confused to take next action. Okay, around the mid of the May month. But the guidance is that you have to listen your inner gut feeling or intuition. Okay, you have to follow your intuition. And around the end of the month, now because of your following your intuition, now you're going to see very positive opportunities towards you. Okay, these opportunities about your career, or are you attracting the relationship, or are you attracting your health? Whatever you are attracting, you are going to see lots of good opportunities coming to you. Okay, wherever you're trying and you are planning, and that plan's going to be secret planning. Okay, around the end of the month, and you're going to work on your plannings. Okay, so you're going to take action on that plannings, and you're going to work on that with happily. Okay, now you don't have to share this with your friends about this planning. Okay, you're just keeping it with yourself, and you're working on that secretly, and you're going to make it very big in the future. Okay, so that's it. I hope this reading resonated with you. Let me know in the comment section. Share this video with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon.